Nice mate, you're welcome back to today's class. So now today's class we'll learn how to make plackets with zipper. So how to clean unfold it. So I folded it to iron to form our green line. So I require materials are here: fabric, straps for our placket, 1.5 inches width by 10 inches length. Okay, so I have to quickly unfold it. So also have big head invisible zipper. Okay, but advise you use coil nylon zipper. It will make your front to the last very well when you're through. Okay, so pressing it, okay, to ease the gray line. Yeah, for easy marking. Okay, so we're marking with half inch from the gray line, half inch on both sides. It is 0.5 inch. So the length is optional. Okay, so we decide to work with length of 8 inches, 10 inches, 4, but 4 is okay. So I'll be working with 7.5 inches length. So connect this way, 0.5 to your desired length and 0.5 meeting each other. That is total of 1 inch. Okay, so the next thing to do is to connect it for better visibility. So just want to confirm. Okay, make sure your line is straight. And if you are new, I'm Chi Living Signatures. If you have not subscribed to this platform, please kindly do that. I love you. God bless you. So connect this way to your desired length. As I said earlier, mine is 7.5 inches. Done. So the V notch, you step up with 0.5, okay, to form your V notch. Okay, because we're needing this for neat finishing. So I have to adjust it for better visibility. Okay, here is our big head invisible zipper. Okay, I need to iron it. Yes, I told the last perfectly. So you can see you have to face it wrong side, sorry, right side of your zipper facing the right side of your fabric. Take note, right side of your zipper facing the right side of your fabric to flip this way. Or if you place it this way, you can see the big head is facing the right side of my fabric, not the wrong side. Just take note of that. Okay, it's very simple. So place it right side of your zipper, sorry, facing the right side of your fabric, but advise you use coil nylon zipper. It will last more. Yeah, so place it this way. So let me turn it this way for better visibility. You can see. So by the time you stitch at the tip, to flip in this way. Okay, so I have to quickly mark the length of our zipper. Make sure you confirm before you proceed. Okay, mine is 7.5 inches, as I said earlier. At least I will mark up to 9 inches. So mark this way. But on our zipper, we'll be marking 0.2. Yeah, on the zipper part, we're marking 0.2, meaning we'll be stitching with 0.2 inch instead of 0.5 inch. But on the fabric, we are going to maintain 0.5. Yes, on the fabric, we'll maintain 0.5. But on our zipper, we'll be working with 0.2 inch. So you place it this way, you can see. So just want to connect green line for better visibility. Okay, so it's clearer now. Yeah, so place it this way. So you'll be placing this on the fabric. You maintain 0.5 inch that we marked earlier, but on our zipper will be maintaining 0.2 to avoid shortage after stitching. Okay, so we have to introduce our plackets, but first you have to pin. Please, when making this, you have to maintain your seam allowance. It's very important. Okay, so pin this way. Sorry about the background noise. I'm doing this from the office. So by the time you flip it in, let's see. So this is our 1.5 inches width by 10 inches length placket. So I just have to equalize it. Okay. Make sure it's 1.5. Yeah. So 1.5 must mark. Okay. Done marking as well. Exactly what we did on the zipper part, but on the placard is 0.5, meaning an half inch. Unlike on the zipper part, the zipper part will work to 0.2. Okay, but on the placard is 0.5, meaning on the placard part, you will still maintain the half inch that we marked earlier. Yes, when we started. So pin I saw, okay, for easy sewing, patiently pin. Yeah. And please, if you find it interesting, like, comment, share. Okay. And if you are new here, please subscribe. I love you all. So you can see. So how to clip to get our sewing machine to stitch. Okay. On the lines that we marked. 0.2 on the zipper part down and on the placket half inch. So after you can see. So for the square part, we didn't stitch that part. It's just straight line to the my desired length, which is 7.5 on both sides. So the V notch, we didn't stitch that part. Take note of that. So notch, cut out this way to form our V notch. Watch this part closely, okay? You notch closely. Ah, sharp scissors dealt with me. Yeah, sharp scissors dealt with me. I notched about 0.2 more. So how to design it when I draw this part. So please, when you're notching, make sure you gently do that. Yes, so you can see. So the next thing to do is to flip it in this way to the wrong side. Send your zipper inside, then your placket. Okay, you can see how neat it is. So you can see how it's lapping out already. I haven't ironed it, so let me quickly do that. Okay, you can see how elastic it is. But now we have to flip it or dress this way to stitch the V notch. Okay, the V notch, you have to make sure you pull it out like so. So we stitch this part that I marked as well. So let's quickly take it to our sewing machine. Okay, pin. So let's move to our sewing machine. So stitching on the V, the sharp V that I marked earlier, the sharp V notch. So trim out your wanted thread. Okay. So by the time you flip it, you look this way. Next, we stand to top stitch on our zipper this way at the tip. Stitch at the tip. But before doing this, make sure you lock the edges, please. I didn't do that. So flip this way to that's the square part. Okay, but for better visibility, I will switch the camera. You can see we've not top stitched on our placket part, so I have to switch the camera this way. Okay, stitch and check your zipper if it's well positioned. Okay, as you stitch on your placket, you check your zipper. Okay, so you won't miss track. So you stitch this way to the tip, that's your neckline. So trim out the unwanted thread. You can see how easy it is. So simple to make. Okay, and please find it interesting, like, okay, comment, share. So let's move to our ironing table to give it a very nice press. Okay, and also for better visibility. Okay, so here we are. But please do not forget to overlock the edges before you start fixing your placket with zipper. So that is all for now. I remain your favorite fashion tutor, Chi Living Signature. Bye.